is called body parts puzzle. For this activity, we are in need of a tissue roll holder, a paper. I rolled the paper and made a big ring. I have drawn a girl's body on one side of the ring, and on the other side I have drawn the picture of a boy's body. After that, I cut the paper into 4 big paper rings. So the activity is ready to perform. This activity is very important for the toddlers. It really enhances and develops their fine motor skills. For this activity, ask your child to keep on rolling the paper rings to complete the puzzle of the body part. If a child will fix the puzzle of a girl's body in front of him, on the other side the puzzle of the boy's body will also be fixed. You can check. The puzzles are all ready. Here is the puzzle of a boy's body. You can see it's all fixed. And on the other side, the puzzle of the girl's body is also ready. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Thanks for watching.